Are we ready to go?
Yes, Your Honor.
Good morning, good morning, Mr. Berry. I'm talking to you guys. Good morning, everyone. Good morning. All right, let's get going.
Yes, sir.
Good morning to you.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, everyone. Court is now in session with the Honorable Judge Charles B. Perkins. While court is in session, please keep your backgrounds quiet and clear. Sit back with your names to be called. Also, if you're in a vehicle, there is no driving while court is in session. Also, there'll be no talking, eating, drinking, gumming, chewing, walking around with smoking of any kind, and please remain properly dressed at all times. Thank you. Good morning, Your Honor.
All right, good morning. Good morning, everyone. This is the City of Detroit versus Jacqueline Gildo, case number SP 1325383. Counts 1, 2, and 3 appearing to the record, please.
Howard S. Berry Jr., P28880. On behalf of Ms. Gildo, state your full name, Ms. Gildo.
My name is Jacqueline Vanessa Gildo.
All right, good morning to you, ma'am. This is the date and time set for a pretrial. Have you attempted to get a driver's license, ma'am? Or do you have a driver's license?
I do.
Can you run a driver's license, please? And what about insurance on this vehicle?
You repeat the question, please.
What about insurance on this vehicle? Do you have insurance on this vehicle?
The vehicle is not mine. I don't know if I have insurance.
All right, if you have a driver's license, then we'll check that right now. Then I'll offer you a blocking traffic $175 for the disregarding a red signal, and we'll dismiss all the other matters. That'll be a 0-point offense. That offense does not abstract to the Secretary of State. I like to call it akin to an expensive parking ticket. You have the absolute right to a trial, ma'am, and you have the absolute right to speak to Mr. Berry in a breakout room regarding the offer. What would you like to do?
I would like to speak during the breakout room.
Very well. Join the room, please.
Thank you.
Driver's license. All right, Naomi, is Naomi here? All right, they left. Juan Castillo, they're gone. Lewis, Dorian Lewis is gonna be next. Juan Castillo.
Yes.
All right, let's see. Are you in the right courtroom, sir? Yeah, it does say you're in the right courtroom.
The reason why people.
if he shows up.
All right, are we back?
Back, Your Honor, ready.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mrs. Gildo. Ms. Gildo, I'm giving you an opportunity to speak with counsel in the breakout room. Counselor, the driver's license is valid. What does your client want to do?
She would accept the offer, Your Honor. She's prepared to enter a plea to block 80.
Okay, is that what you want to do, Ms. Gildo?
Yes, it is.
All right, counsel, will your client stipulate to the face of the ticket as an factual basis for a responsible plea?
So stipulated, Your Honor.
And will your client stipulate the probable cause for the stop and the dismissal of the other matters?
Yes, Your Honor. So stipulated.
All right, I'm gonna find your client responsible for the admitted count of blocking traffic, fine her $175, dismissing the other 2 counts. Ms. Gildo, when can you pay?
Can you repeat the question?
I can't hear you. When can you pay, ma'am?
When can I pay?
Yes,
Okay.
today?
Yes.
All right, I'm gonna at least give you 7 days for that payment to go through. That at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit, that's DIVDAT. I'm told you can upload that DivDat app to your phone, or I'd come down to the courthouse and pay that. I'm gonna make sure that's a pay by date of 9/19/2022. If there's nothing further, you have a very good day, ma'am. Good luck to you, okay?
So much.
All right. You're free to leave. All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Juan Pablo Castillo. Case numbers SP 121-21152, SP 129-0394, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood Berry Jr. on behalf of Mr. Castillo. State your full names.
Pablo Castillo.
Your Honor, for purposes of arraignment, we waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
I will enter not guilty pleas on your client's behalf. I'll recall the bench warrants and give your client a $0 bond. What is, do you have a valid driver's license and plates for a vehicle, sir?
No, sir.
All right, let's get an offer from the city. You have an absolute right to a trial if you don't like the offer. Are you trying to get a license, sir?
Yes, this is my last court, and then I'm able to get a license back.
All right, so let's offer him the improper plate ticket, $240 fine. That ticket does not abstract to the Secretary of State. It does not carry any points. So there's no license repercussions. And I will dismiss that ticket upon payment of the $240 fine. We'll dismiss the other 2 matters. What would you like to do? Again, you have an absolute right to a trial.
I like the offer.
All right. Can you raise your right hand, please, sir? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You can put your hand down, please. Sir, do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
You understand by taking this off, he's going to give up that trial right?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
All right, Mr. Castillo, I'm going to draw your attention back to June the 17th, 2021 at around 6:28 p.m. in the city of Detroit. in the area of Livernois and Rashpack. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yeah.
On that day where you operating a 2002 Chevy?
Yes.
Was there something wrong with the plates on that Chevy?
They were not for the vehicle.
I don't see if it's if you in there or not.
All right. Okay, I'm gonna find your client guilty. Okay, I'm gonna find your client improper plate with the stipulation of the cause counsel. I'm gonna dismiss the other two matters. Gonna dismiss the other two matters. Can I get that stipulation, Counselor?
So stipulated, Your Honor. I apologize.
Get that stipulation, Counselor?
So stipulated, Your Honor. I apologize.
All right.
Jace, can you,
That stipulation, I'm gonna dismiss the other matters.
Jace, can you,
That stipulation, I'm gonna dismiss. And, when can you pay this fine off?
2 weeks.
All right, I'm gonna give you until well, let's just say 26, I won't be here, but the 26th of September, pay it off. Come on back in for a review. If you have that paid off, we'll dismiss upon payment, okay?
Okay.
All right, any further questions, sir?
No, that'll be it.
All right, if there's no further questions, wish you have a very good day, sir. Good luck to you.
Thank you.
Wish you have a very good day, sir. Good luck to you.
Thank you. Thank you.
I muted you for a reason, Gates. You're signed in. I don't know which way your device is signed in, but you're causing your device is repeating everything we're saying. All right. This is the city of Detroit. City of Detroit versus Dorian Wayne Lewis. Case numbers SP 5524991, SP 7202081, SP 9499491. Hold on one second. Appearance for the record, please.
Over S. Barry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Lewis.
Dorian Wayne Lewis Jr.
All right, today is the date and time set for a review on all these matters. Let's see. I don't know how we get to a review. Let me see. Did you do the community service, sir?
Yes, I have been doing the community service. No, Mr. Perkins, I'm not finished.
All right, how many hours have you done? Have you turned any hours in to Ms. Green?
I have turned a couple of hours to Mr. Green. It was through the church. They had reported it to him. They had like a clock in, clock out system.
How many hours have you done?
Since the last day, maybe 10.
And today, this is going on kind of long.
The reason it's been going on long is because of the same issues that I've been having and does have documentation for, Mr. Perkins.
What's that?
The issues that I've been having with FOC regarding the custody of my child, which requires me to be at work longer than I need to be. And it's hard placing community service in between these times of me getting to work. I don't have no license. I don't have a car. So
You're not explaining anymore.
okay.
I got you. If you want to. All right. Now, how many hours would you say that you've done completed? It says here 72 hours.
And out of those hours, Mr. Perkins, I've probably completed maybe 12.
That's not a lot. All right, I'm gonna need you to pick it up some kind of way.
I'm trying, Mr. Perkins.
Where do you work?
I work at Sterling Heights, Dakota. Integrated Systems. That's a Sterling Heights. I have to pay to get out there.
How many hours a week do you work?
I'm working anywhere from 48 to 56 hours a week.
Let's set another review date for November the 14th, 2022 at 8:25.
This should be the last month with my issues with FOC, Mr. Perkins.
The last month, okay, so if you're done, then you'll have another month. It's gonna be 60 days out.
Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna check with Ms. Green too to see what's going on and how many hours she has reported. Come on back November the 14th, 2022. Let's get some resolution to this sooner rather than later, all right?
Thank you, Mr. Perkins.
All right, nothing further, sir. Have a good day and good luck to you, and I'll see you back in November. November 14th, 2022 at 8:30. All right, this is City of Detroit versus Fonda Laurie. Case number SP 132-68951, SP 132-68961, SP 132-6896, counts 2 and counts 3 appearance for your record.
Oh, that's Barry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Lowry.
Rhonda Sharice Laurie.
Officer Bennett. Today is the date time set for pretrial in the matter. Ms. Laurie, do you have proof of insurance and proof of registration for this deal?
I don't have the insurance anymore. It expired, but I do have the proof of registration.
All right, offer her improper plates. 0 point offense. Let's offer her blocking traffic, 0-point offense. It's a civil infraction, $175 is really akin to an expensive parking ticket. No other license, sanctions, or anything like that. You want to take the deal, ma'am, or you have an absolute right to a trial? You speak to Mr. Berry if you need to help make an informed decision. What would you like to do?
I can take the deal.
All right, ma'am, Mr. Berry, will your client stipulate to the face of the ticket, or will you, on behalf of your client, stipulate to the face of the ticket as an active factual basis for this responsible plea?
So stipulated, Your Honor.
And will you, on behalf of your client, stipulate to the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matters?
Again, so stipulated, Your Honor.
All right, I'm going to find your client responsible for the amended count of blocking traffic. I am going to fine your client $175 for that, and I'm going to dismiss the other 3 matters. When can you pay, Ms. Laurie?
September the 30th.
You got that date already. You thought about that, didn't you?
Yeah.
You knew that question was coming, huh?
Yes.
You're going to pay it on September the 30th?
Yes.
All right, I'm going to have you back. Well, not necessarily have you back, but I'm going to set it for 10/3/2022 to make sure that payment is in there, and so we can close it out properly. You pay that at any that kiosk in the city of Detroit, or you pay that online. I mean, strike that, or you pay that down here at the courthouse. All right, that's the best ways to pay it. It'll go through immediately if you pay it from one of those 2 ways.
Okay.
All right. Any questions, ma'am?
No.
All right. If there's no further questions, you have a very good day. Good luck to you. All right.
Thank you.
Well, this is the city of Detroit versus Passion Latimer. Case number SP 1095704, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Oh, that's Barry Jr. on behalf of Ms. Latimer. State your full name, Ms. Latimer.
Passion Nicole Latimer.
For purposes of arraignment, Your Honor, we waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
All right, I'm going to enter not guilty plea on your client's behalf, give her a $0 bond, and I'm going to ask your client, do you have a valid driver's license now?
No.
What's going on with your license?
I need these tickets off so I can go get it.
All right, I'm going to offer your client do you have valid registration and insurance?
Yes. I don't have the car that the tickets are on anymore, which is why I hesitated, but yes.
You have a car that has valid registration and insurance?
Yes.
I'm offering your client and allowing an unlicensed drive. That's going to be a 0-point offense. It is a misdemeanor. It does not abstract to the Secretary of State. And I'll even dismiss that ticket upon payment of the $240. And I'll dismiss the other 2 matters, so it won't be anything on your record. Right? I got the ticket here.
Oh, you got the file? Oh, you did? Oh, I got it.
So you have an absolute right to a trial, ma'am. If you want to contest the matter, you can get to a trial date. If you want to speak to Mr. Berry in the breakout room, you'll have that right to do that as well. What would you like to do?
I would like to speak to Mr. Berry in the breakout room.
Very well. Mr. Berry, I'll even allow your client an opportunity to go get a driver's license if she chooses. I'll allow her to pay the reinstatement fees up front. All right. All right.
Yes.
All right.
Thank you.
Mr. Haddad, how you doing?
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. Well, who's your client?
I'm Sharita Langston.
Langston?
I was hoping to get a breakout room with the prosecutor first.
Ben Lynn, what's your name, sir?
Lenoir.
Lenoir. Good morning to you.
Good morning.
That's him. Yes.
Good morning.
Good morning. It's lively.
Yes.
Mr. Reagan is her attorney that I'm talking to. Phil Reagan is her attorney.
This is Lenoir.
Yes.
Did I get the pronunciation correct?
It's Lenoir, but you know.
Lenoir.
Mm-hmm.
Cortez, right?
Yes.
Everybody that has a trial set, we're gonna give the officer a half-hour grace period from the time they're supposed to be here. And I have Lenoir, Lively, Langston, and Gilbert as 9 o'clock. So they'll have till 9:30. I got Officer Bennett, Gilbert, one of the officers checked in. Gilbert, the other officers haven't arrived yet, so we'll give them that opportunity. So we can sit tight. Do you have registration and insurance for this vehicle, Mr. Lenoir?
No, I was driving my friend's car. It wasn't even mine.
You have a vehicle in your name?
No.
Mr. Green, do you have a registration and insurance for this vehicle? Mr. Kumari Green?
Yes, right here.
You have registration and insurance for this vehicle?
Hold up, say that one more time, Your Honor.
Do you have registration and insurance for this vehicle?
To be honest, Your Honor, that wasn't even my vehicle. I was driving my homegirl vehicle.
right. Does your homegirl have registration and insurance for the vehicle?
Don't even communicate with her anymore. I really wanted to ask, is there any way I can pay the ticket?
Yeah, it's gonna be a way you're gonna be able to pay.
All right, most definitely.
$240 dismissed upon payment.
You said 140?
240.
240? Most definitely.
On the Galaxy Tab S6.
Sharita Langston.
Okay. Your lawyer is speaking with the city attorney. Good morning. Are you done with Miss Latimer?
Yes, Your Honor.
Can you pull her out the breakout room?
I gave her instructions as to come out.
I don't even see main session.
There she is.
All right, let's go back on the record with Ms. Latimer. Ms. Latimer, I've given you an opportunity to speak to the city attorney. Strike that. I've given you an opportunity to speak with defense counsel in the breakout room. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, Ms. Latimer would avail herself of the opportunity to pay the reinstatement fees or have them waived so that she can get her license and return to the court and have all of these matters dismissed.
Okay, is that what you want to do, Ms. Latimer?
Yes, can I have the shortest return date possible? Because I can go up there today.
Well, the shortest return date is going to be on you because if you come back with a valid driver's license and the valid registration and insurance, you show us at that time, then we'll dismiss the case. I'm going to allow you to pay the reinstatement fees up front. You can be able to come down here today. It's going to be $135 in reinstatement fees. That's 3 reinstatement fees at $45 a piece. So you pay those. You wait 48 to 72 hours. You wait 48 to 72 hours, and then you go to a Secretary of State and see if they can give you a valid driver's license. I'm going to give you 30 days from the date. That's going to be pre-trial, October the 13th, 2022 at 8:30 a.m. You bring a valid driver's license back in, you bring valid registration and insurance back in, we'll dismiss the cases, okay?
Can you make it sooner than that? I'm in an apprenticeship and I'm laid off, and if they call me to work, I need to be able to drive wherever they sending me. So I need my license as soon as possible.
Listen, I've already explained it to you. These cases, if you pay the reinstatement fees, are not going to have any bearing on your driver's license. They'll just be allegations. If you have a problem, then you can zoom back in. But if you pay the sooner you pay the reinstatement fees, the sooner you'll be potentially eligible for a driver's license. Because I can only control what's down here at the 36th District Court. I can't control any other court that you may or may not have tickets in. Okay, so if this is the only tickets that you have that's affecting your driver's license, then you come down here today, pay the reinstatement fee, wait 48 to 72 hours, and you'll get the clearances, and then you'll approach the Secretary of State for a valid driver's license. If they don't give you a driver's license, what I would suggest is you ask them particularly what's holding your driver's license up. Okay, they should be able to give you the particular information on that. All right, so I told you you'll come back on October the 13th, 2022 with a valid driver's license, registration, and insurance, and we'll dismiss these tickets.
Okay.
All right, and if I told you if you have a problem, you can always zoom back in. All right.
All right. Thank you.
All right. If there's nothing further, ma'am, good luck to you. Your next pretrial date is going to be October 13th, 2022 at 8:30 a.m. Have a great day.
You. You too.
All right. This is the City of Detroit versus Kamari Jamal Green Jr. Case number SP 131-3879, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Oh, that's Barry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Green.
Kamari Jamal Green Jr.
All right, today is the date and time set for a pretrial in the matter. Mr. Green wants to pay $240, what he told me off the record, to get this cleared up. Is that correct, Mr. Green?
Correct, sir.
He said that's his homegirl's car, and he no longer speaks to his homegirl anymore, so I guess it's his ex-homegirl, right?
Yes, sir. Correct, sir.
All right, so that'll be, I'll give you a improper plate, and I will, that'll be a $240 fine. I'll dismiss that ticket upon payment of the $240. There's no license repercussions whatsoever. That is a misdemeanor. It does not abstract to the Secretary of State. It does not carry any points, and I'll dismiss the misdemeanor upon payment of the.
Don't know why it's not on there.
But take that deal, sir.
Was I here? I
Yes,
was like,
sir.
yeah.
Okay, can let me see you. Where are you? Where are you?
Oh, hold on. I just clicked start video. I'm right here, sir.
Can you raise your right hand, please? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, sir.
Or you can put your hand down. Sir, do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes, sir.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes, sir.
You understand by taking this offer, you're going to give up that trial right?
Yes, sir.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No, sir.
All right. Let me draw your attention back to April the 12th, 2022 at around 8:27 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of McNichols and Greenfield, sir. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes.
On that day, were you operating a 2016 Infiniti?
Yes, sir.
That's sort of a nice car. He let that go, huh?
Oh, it was never no relationship. It was just friendship.
Friendship? I didn't say it was a relationship, did I? Did I? You
Hey.
let the friendship go.
Hey, it was toxic. You gotta go. Peace of mind.
All right. All right. Good you recognize that. That's a good look. All right. On that day, you were operating that 2016 Infiniti, weren't you?
Yes, sir.
And the officer did ask you, did you have could you produce valid insurance for that vehicle, right?
Right.
And you couldn't do so, could you?
Couldn't do so. I was lost myself, sir.
All right. You were lost?
Yeah, because the person I don't have nothing on my driving record. No, none of that. So when it happened and I asked the person, all right, where your insurance and everything, they looked at me crazy. So it was like, all right, I just gotta bite the bullet and take it how it is. I just gotta pay the ticket.
Well, she was in the car with you as well?
Yes, sir.
That's a nice car to not have no insurance on.
That's what I'm
So,
saying, sir.
all right, well, I'm gonna accept that as a good factual basis. Are you satisfied, Counselor?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
All right, I'm going to find your client guilty of the amended count of improper plates. I'm gonna fine him $240. I told him I would dismiss that upon payment. And I certainly appreciate the fact that your client has nothing on his driving record and is willing to do what it takes to keep his driving record clean. So we're gonna give him that opportunity. I'm gonna dismiss the other matter upon stipulation of probable cause.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
And I'm gonna find out, when can you pay this $240, sir?
I can pay this $240 by the end of the month, sir.
End of the month, so we'll give him until, we'll give him 30 days. We'll give him, we'll set a review date for October 13th, 2022 at 8:25 a.m. If it's paid by then, sir, you don't even have to show back up. We'll close it out. You're more than welcome to see it all the way through. 10/13/2022. Pay that in any div bag kiosk in the city of Detroit, or pay that down here at the courthouse is the best ways I know how to tell you to pay that and go through it immediately. If it's nothing further, sir, you have a very good day and good luck too.
I appreciate you, Your Honor. You have a nice day.
You as well. All right, Mr. Haddad, what is your client gonna do?
Your Honor, my client's name is Sharita Langton. She is, I believe, on the Galaxy Tab S6. I
Correct.
spoke with the prosecutor. The officer hasn't appeared. I don't know. I'll be requesting a dismissal.
All right, well, we'll give him another 20 minutes. We give a half-hour break period for the officer, so.
Sounds fair, Your Honor. I have another Zoom hearing, so I'm juggling two at once. So I will check back in and out, and I'll be sure to be back about 9:30, 9:35.
Very well.
Thank you.
This is the City of Detroit versus Eddie Lee Lawrence. Case number SP127 Junior. I'm sorry, Eddie Lee Lawrence Jr. Case number SP127099191, SP127098551, SP1302032. Counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Over S. Berry Jr. on behalf of Mr. Lawrence. State your full name, Mr. Lawrence.
Eddie Lee Lawrence Jr.
All right, today is the date and time set for a pre-trial on the matter. Mr. Lawrence, you got some civil infractions here that'll garner you pretty significant points if you were to be found responsible for them. We're gonna try to keep your points off your license, but you're gonna be able to help us in the future by slowing down. And if the allegations are true, all right, slowing down and proper passing or whatever they say. I'm gonna offer you 2 counts of blocking traffic, $175. Those are 0-point offenses for those 2 civil infractions, and the other 1, 2, 3 matters will dismiss. All right. You have an absolute right to a trial. You have an absolute right to a trial. You have an absolute right to speak to Mr. Berry in a breakout room regarding the office. What would you like to do?
We can do that, Your Honor.
The blocking traffic?
Yep.
He knows when to hold them and knows when to fold them, huh? Will your client stipulate to the faces of the tickets as an accurate factual basis for these responsible pleas, Counselor?
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Will your client stipulate to probable cause for the dismissal of the other matters?
Yes, again, Your Honor, so stipulated.
I'm going to find your client responsible for the amended counts of blocking traffic on the 2 civil infractions, $175 apiece, and I'm going to dismiss the other 3 matters. That's going to be $350, sir. When can you pay?
Give me to the end of the month.
I'll give you the same 30 days. 10/13/2022. You don't have to come back But keep in mind that that good driver's license you have will be affected if you don't pay it. You can't pay it, sir, you need to tune back in to see if the court can find you some more time. If there's nothing
Okay.
further, sir, have a very good day. Good luck to you.
You too, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
Your Honor, on Lenoir, Lenoir, do he have proper documentation?
I asked Mr. Lenoir, and I believe he said no.
The improper place.
No, I do have a license, Your Honor, a valid license.
If you don't have a registration and insurance, do you?
Oh, no, she don't even have that car no more.
Do you have a car?
No, sir.
All right, this is gonna be the city of Detroit versus Desmond Alexander Lemon. Case numbers. All right, case number is gonna be SP 1321827, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Howard S. Berry Jr. on behalf of Mr. Lemon. State your full name, Mr. Lemon.
Alexander Lemon.
All right. Say it again, sir, for the record. I'm sorry.
Desmond Alexander Lemon.
All right, today is the date and time set for a pretrial in the matter. Mr. Lemon. Is your driver's license good, sir, now?
Yes.
Go out from a blocking traffic, keep that driver's license good. There'll be a 0-point offense that does not abstract to the Secretary of State, and it does not, it is akin to an expensive parking ticket. What would your client like to do, Mr.?
What's the?
Mr. Berry?
Mr. Lemon?
He has an absolute right
What's
to
the
a
case
trial.
now?
Yes, of course. Did you hear the offer, Mr. Lemon?
Yes, trial.
You're gonna go to trial on a disregarding the red signal and the driver's license expired and no insurance ticket?
Yes.
Okay, let's see how this turns out. Trial date is gonna be, let's say 11/3/2022 at 9 a.m. We're gonna wipe away the fees on SP 101-2629, strike that, SP 101-26281. That was dismissed, so I don't know why the 132 is up there. You owe a $45 reinstatement fee on SP 101-26291. So, and I have a trial date of 11/3/2022. That's November 3rd, 2022 at 9 a.m. on SP 1321827, counts 1, 2, and 3. Anything further, sir?
No.
I didn't hear you.
No.
Okay, very well. If there's nothing further, I'll have a very good day.
Thank you.
Your Honor, we're ready on Mr. Lenoir.
No, Lenoir.
Lenoir.
This is the city of Detroit versus Renoir Cortez Lenoir. Case number SP 1175915, counts 1 and 2. Appearance for the record, please.
May it please His Honorable Court, Dante Goss, P60162 on behalf of the people.
Howard S. Berry Jr. on behalf of Mr. Lenoir.
And Corporal Hill, can you put your appearance on the record, please?
Yes, Corporal Hill, badge 4598, 10th Precinct, Detroit, Michigan.
Very well. Good morning to you. And we have, what do we have? Go ahead, Councilman.
Do we want to put Mr. Lenoir on the record?
So put your name on the record, please, Mr. Renoir Lenoir. You have to unmute yourself.
Oh, okay, I'm sorry. Renoir Cortez Lenoir.
Your Honor, at the time, off the record, Mr. Lenoir stated that he doesn't have the vehicle anymore, and the vehicle was someone else's. So at this time, the city chooses not to proceed at this time in this matter.
Okay. That is the case.
But in the future, Mr. Lenoir, you cannot drive a vehicle with no plate
Okay.
if it's your vehicle or anyone else's.
Okay.
All right. If there's nothing further, sir, your cases are gonna be dismissed, and you can have a very good day, sir. Good luck to you.
Okay, thank you. You too.
All right.
Thank you, Officer Hill.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Be safe, man.
Yeah.
All right, officer, Hill, be safe out there. All right, this is God. Trayvon. City of Detroit. Versus Trayvon Godbold, case number SP 1323741, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Howard S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Godbold.
Fine. Jameer Godbold Sr.
All right. Good morning to you, sir. Today is a date and time set for a pretrial in the matter. Mr. Godbold, your offer is pleading to responsible to the amended count of blocking traffic, $175. And we'll close it out. That's akin to an expensive parking ticket. It has no points. It has no driver's license repercussions. You have an absolute right to a trial, sir. You can speak to Mr. Berry in a breakout room. What would you like to do?
Take the offer.
Pardon me?
Take the blocking offer.
You want to take the blocking traffic?
Yes.
All right. Will your client stipulate to the face of the ticket as an active factual basis for the responsible tree? Please.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
And will your client stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter?
Yes, Your Honor. So stipulated.
All right, I'm gonna find your client responsible for the amended count of blocking traffic, $175, and dismiss count 2 of the ticket. When can you pay, sir?
Today.
Today?
Yes.
Let's give them till next week to make sure that payment gets here. 9/19/2022. You pay that ticket today at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. You pay that ticket on, strike that, you pay that ticket down here at the court or at any DivDat kiosk. It will go through immediately. We'll close the matter out. If there's nothing further, Mr. Godbold, you have a very good day, all right?
Thank you. You too.
Thank you. All right. This is the city of Detroit. Wait a minute. This is the city of Detroit versus Sabrina Green. Case numbers SP 124-86671, SP 124-86951. Appearance for the record, please.
Howard S. Berry Jr. on behalf of Ms. Green. State your full name, Ms. Green.
Sabrina Green.
All right, today is the date and time set for a pretrial in the matter. Ms. Green, you pay $120 for that improper request, and we'll dismiss the other matter. You have an absolute right to a trial. You have an absolute right to speak to Mr. Berry in the breakout room. That improper equipment ticket does not carry It is a civil infraction. It does not carry any licensing repercussions. What would you like to do, ma'am?
I did get it fixed within that 14-day period, but my ticket wasn't in the
Let me ask
system.
you this, Ms. Green, do you have valid insurance for this vehicle?
Yes, I do.
Can you provide the court with the proof of the insurance, please?
Sure. I do have it out in the car. What
We'll
information?
pass the matter until you can get that proof, all right?
Okay.
Go get it.
You need me to, I can go get it now?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. 1 second.
Only Mr. Gilbert's officers appear so far.
All right, who's on the Google Pixel 4a 5G? Unmute yourself, please. The person on the Google Pixel 4a 5G, do you want to unmute yourself and state your name, please? Yes, ma'am.
So I got all the Nichols tickets. What about in the 2 tickets? Yeah, those two.
All right, Mr. Lindsay.
Yes.
Good morning to you. Do you have valid insurance for this vehicle and registration?
Yes, Your Honor. I have prior valid insurance. At the time I was selling the vehicle and was caught driving it to go sell it to the purchaser.
Wait a minute, whoa. It's called driving it to go selling it to the purchaser. I never heard that legal defense. Driving it is called driving it to go sell it to the purchaser. What area of the statute does that fall under?
I have no idea because I thought I was doing it right.
Listen, Mr. Lindsay, let me ask you this. Do you have a vehicle now?
No, I did sell it.
So, did you have insurance at the time you were driving it to the seller to purchase?
No, sir, because I had the car in storage.
All right. It's a no, it's a no. All right. This offer, what's this offer gonna be? Blocking traffic and seatbelt. Blocking traffic 175, seatbelt 140, $65. That's good. Blocking traffic with seatbelt ticket. Does the seatbelt ticket cause any?
Yeah,
All right,
just do like.
all right, he's cutting you a break, because of that artful argument that you made. Remember that, Counselor Haddad and, Barry, it's called driving it while, going to sell it to the purchaser.
Never mind.
He left.
Yes, sir.
Blocking traffic is gonna be $175. You wanna take the deal or not?
Yes, sir.
And you gotta give up some of those proceeds from the sale.
Okay, that's understandable.
All right, let's call the case. This is the City of Detroit versus Alfonso Lindsay, case number SP 106-99971, SP 132-6471, counts 1, 2, and 3, and SP 132-64731. Appearance for the record, please.
Oh, that's Barry Jr. on behalf of Mr. Lindsay. State your full name, Mr. Lindsay.
Alfonso Dwight Lindsay.
Extends the date and time set for pretrial in the matters. Hold on one second. All right, this failure to stop is in default. So. Hold on, please, hold on. All right. All right, hand me the file, please, Mr. Lindsay. All right. So based on the city's offer, I'm going to allow your client to set aside the default on that ticket. And enter into the agreement that we laid out. And your client indicated that he wanted to take that deal. So will your client stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis?
So stipulated, Your Honor.
And client stipulate the probable cause for the stop.
Yes, again, so stipulated.
I'm going to find your client responsible for the amended count of blocking traffic, 0-point offense, no abstraction on the driving record, and $175. We'll dismiss the other counts. When can you pay, Mr. Lindsay?
By October 3rd, October 4th.
No.
October 4th?
No. $175, sir. You're getting all these tickets dismissed. Why is it that you need 2 months to pay? Or close to 2 months?
I mean, I'm sorry, I didn't. Well, September.
Oh,
October. That in the week. I can do that in the week. So.
All right. I'm gonna give him. It's my bad. I didn't know October was 2 weeks away, and October is my birthday. I didn't know my birthday is 2 weeks away.
That's like this September. Yeah, my birthday September 30th.
All right. Well, see, that's what my father used to ask me. What am I gonna get him for my birthday? You know, so for your birthday, we're gonna get you $175 fine. But consider that a birthday present because you get these 3 points wiped away off your driver's record. That's gonna last you for the next few years with that insurance company.
Thank you.
Let's go with let's give them 14 days, 9/26/2022. All right.
9/26/2022.
If there's nothing further, have a very good day, sir.
Thank you. Happy birthday to you too.
And you as well. Thank you. Good luck to you.
Thank you.
The offer for Ramirez Gilbert will be plead to the expired plates from Officer Bennett's ticket and glycating on Officer Nichols' ticket and dismiss the other 4 matters.
Expired plates and expired plates, $145, and blocking traffic, $175. No points on your driving record. Everything else will be dismissed. I'll let you mull over that, and I'm going to call the Counselor Haddad case.
Thank you, Your Honor.
It's the City of Detroit versus Sharita Langston. Case numbers SP 1319081, counts 1, 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Issa Dad on behalf of Ms. Sharita Langston, who's appearing here today by Zoom.
Ms. Langston, can you state your name for the record, please?
Sharita Langston.
Okay, today is the date and time set for a trial in the matter. Go ahead, Counselor.
Your Honor, at this time, I don't believe the prosecution can proceed. They don't not have a witness. We'll be asking for a dismissal.
All right, Officer Duncan here, no response, having not seen an officer in the breakout room. It is now 9:35. I get officers, I think, a generous half-hour grace period. Sometimes I think it shouldn't be that much, but I've said it. And with that being said, I'm going to grant counsel's motion to dismiss. And if there's nothing further, have a very good day.
Thank you very much. Have a nice day, everybody.
Thank you, Your Honor.
What's your P?
I'm sorry, can you put your P number on the record?
Yes. P71699.
All right, if there's nothing further, then you have a very good day, Counselor, and your client.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay, let's go back on the record with Ms. Green. I almost forgot about Ms. Green. Ms. Green, did you have that proof of insurance, please?
So I'm not at home and I just switched to a new policy. So I'm not even sure if the policy that I have, if they switched it over from them yet, but I do.
Back, ma'am?
I didn't hear you.
Do you want to come back? To give us that
Yes, I can.
All right, come back
Which day?
on November the 8th with that insurance policy.
Okay.
November the 8th, 2022 at 8:30 a.m. Bring valid documentation. All right.
Okay. I did take a picture of me getting the light fixed. I took it at night.
Bring all that documentation when you come to court next time, all right?
Okay. Thank
All right,
you.
Ms. Green, if there's nothing further, have a very good day. Good luck to you.
You as well. Bye-bye.
Mr. Reagan, good morning to you.
Morning to you, Your Honor.
Your client is Lively?
That's correct, Your Honor.
I got ESP, you know. I just know those things. So let's see, what's Lively? What's gonna happen with Lively? You've already been speaking to somebody on.
Judge, I'm going to move for a dismissal on both matters at this time.
He's been working behind the scenes, getting things done.
Without prejudice. Yes, sir.
That's how our fellow HU people do it.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. The real.
Where's Lively? There's
I'm
Miss
here.
Lively. Is that you in that camo gear, ma'am?
Yes, I'm here. How are you?
How are you? Is that just for show, or did you put some time in with our United States Armed Forces?
Oh,
It's just for show?
it
Fashion
is.
Fashion now. It's kind of cool, you know, that That's kind of like I like the fashion statement there. Driver's license leaves a little bit to be desired, but all right. Let's call the case. This is City of Detroit versus Santana Maria Lively. Case number is SP 1252133, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Your Honor, Philip Reagan, I'm hearing on behalf of Ms. Lively.
P number, please.
P57156.
Okay, Ms. Lively, can you state your name for the record, please?
Sure, Santana Lively.
Today is the date and time set for a trial in the matter. Go ahead, Mr. Reagan.
Judge, I am respectfully moving for dismissal without prejudice as to both matters in this particular case.
On the basis of?
Officers has failed to appear, Your Honor.
All right, I'm surprised Corporal Jones is not here. He's usually on time and ready to go. But nevertheless, he isn't. I'm going to grant the council's motion to dismiss both charges. If there's nothing further, always good to see you, Mr. Reagan. Ms. Lively, if there's you don't have any further questions, if you have any further questions, you can ask Mr. Reagan. He's been around the block many times. He can pretty much answer anything that it has to do with the legal system, at least. But if you don't have any further questions with the court, you have a very good day. All right.
Thank you. You as well.
Thank you much. All right. Take it easy.
Judge, have a great day. Always a pleasure.
You have a better one. All right. This is the City of Detroit versus Gilbert Ramirez Gilbert. Case number SP 13071-321, 2274-3006, 2274-3005. Counts 1 and counts 2, and SP 13071-322. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of Mr. Gilbert. State your full name, Mr. Gilbert.
Gilbert.
All right, today is the date and time set for a trial in the matter. There has been an offer of bail to your client to plead to, Corporal Bennett, can you put your appearance on the record, please?
Yes, Your Honor. Good morning. Bill Bennett, badge 4320, Detroit Police Department.
Okay, very good. Good to see you. I don't have your ticket in the file, Corporal Bennett.
Oh.
Your Honor, they ordered those files. Dante Goss on behalf of the people. Your Honor, those tickets are on their way up. Those tickets were actually scheduled for October 22nd, and they were moved up to today.
Okay, I got your ticket in the file now.
Okay.
All right. Today is the date and time set for a trial in the matter. The offer is pleading to the expired plates. And Corporal and Officer Nick, is he here in the room?
No, Your Honor. I can call and have him come back on.
Well, that's what I was going to allow him to put his appearance on the record. I know he showed up one time. The offer is pleading to the expired plate, $145 and amended count
Of blockading for the wrong way.
Okay.
Count one.
Blocking traffic for the wrong way. That's $175. None of those carry points. None of those abstract to the Secretary of State. They're more like expensive parking tickets. You have an absolute right to a trial. Today is the date and time set for a trial. Mr. Gilbert, what would you like to do?
Yeah, can I speak with Mr. Berry in the break room or something?
You certainly may. Certainly. I have both tickets here, Mr. Berry. I'll let you speak to Mr. Gilbert in a breakout room. Join the room, please, sir.
Officer Bennett, Mr. Gilbert does have valid driver's license.
Yes, that's fine, sir.
Okay.
What's your middle name, Mr. Gates?
Lamont. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I heard you. I just don't see why you're here.
Hello?
I heard you. I just don't see why you're here.
Oh.
Yes. Don't see why you're here. That's key. Let's try it this way. Let's try it this way.
I got a ticket for a brake light and no license.
They just spell, you spell your middle name with two, I mean, your name with two N's, they spell it with one N. Do you have a valid driver's license,
Two N's?
sir? Do you have a valid driver's license, sir?
No, I don't.
Are you trying to get a valid driver's license? Are you trying to get a valid driver's license?
No, I don't have a valid driver's license.
I said, are you trying to get one?
Yes, I do. Yes, I am.
You want me to give you some time to get this license or what? Time to get this license or what?
I would like to know. I don't know how much money I got to spend to get my license. Really,
You have to go to the
I owe
Secretary of
tickets.
State. You have to go to Secretary of State for that. Secretary of State. You have to go to Secretary of State for that.
Okay.
Okay, I see some more cases. Okay, I see some more cases. But it doesn't appear that these cases will affect your driver's license either. But it doesn't appear that these cases will affect your driver's license either.
Ready, Your Honor.
All right. Ready, Your Honor. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Gilbert Ramirez. Mr. Ramirez, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel in the breakout room. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, Mr. Gilbert would avail himself of the people's offer, enter plea to blocking traffic and expired plates.
You want to do that, take that deal, sir? Mr. Gilbert?
Yes, sir. I'm sorry. It was on mute, Your Honor. Yes, I do, sir.
All right. Mr. Goss, are you there?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Mr. Gilbert's birthday is coming up too. How about offering him a early birthday present and just letting him plead to the blocking traffic?
That's Officer Bennett. Officer Bennett, are you feeling gracious?
Yes, sir.
There we go. I know Officer Bennett's a reasonable man.
Oh,
Officer
yeah.
Bennett is a well-traveled man
Well
too.
traveled.
And Officer Bennett is allowing Mr. Gilbert maybe to save that $145 on a nice little vacation for him and his wife or significant other or somebody, right? All right.
Appreciate it, officer.
Now, what that means is, Mr. Gilbert, I guarantee you one thing. Officer Bennett is gonna be out there. And he's gonna write tickets when he sees somebody committing some civil infraction or misdemeanor or anything like that. So if you can't stop at these stop signs, then you're not gonna get this deal again, all right?
Yes, sir.
All right. Will your client stipulate to the face of the ticket as an contractual basis for the responsible plea?
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Will your client stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matters?
Yes, so stipulated, Your Honor.
All right, I'm gonna find your client responsible for the amended count of blocking traffic, $175, and dismiss the other matter. When can you pay, sir?
I asked the court, can the court give me 2 weeks, sir?
All right, I'm gonna give you until 9/26/2022 to have it paid. If there's nothing further, sir, you have a good day. You need to make sure that you get that paid before 9/26/2022 to keep that driver's license valid, all right?
Thank you, Your Honor. Happy early birthday to you, and thank you, Officer Bennett, and thank you, Mr. Berry.
All right, very well. Thank you. Good luck to you, sir. Have a great day.
Have a good day, Your Honor.
Be safe, Officer Bennett.
All right, be safe, Officer Bennett. It's always good to see you.
Thank you, sir. I'm in California. I'll be back tomorrow.
All
I'm
right.
going to Seattle this week.
Oh, yeah, have some fun.
First time ever being in Seattle.
Oh, you'll like it.
All right.
Have
Be
a good
safe
day,
travel.
Thank you. Bye.
He's always somewhere. All right, last but not least, the city of Detroit versus Donnell Lamont Gates. Case numbers SP 1275587, counts 1 and counts 2, and 15-44063, and counts 1, 2, and 3. Counts 1, 2, and 3.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. On behalf of Mr.
Elwood
Gates.
S. Berry Jr. On behalf of Mr. Gates.
State your full
Yes.
name. Mr. Gates.
State your full name.
Donnell Lamont Gates.
As it relates to the warrants, counselor.
All right, move the court to set aside any
All
warrants.
right, move the court to set aside any warrants.
All right, I'm gonna recall the warrants. We're gonna give your client a $0 bond. We're gonna give your client a $0 bond. We're gonna enter not guilty plea on his behalf. Maybe best to set a trial date. Mr. Gates indicates that he's going. Maybe best to set a trial date. Mr. Gates indicates that he's get his driver's license. What he can do to get his driver's license. Once you speak to Mr. Berry in a breakout room, but you got 3 2000. Mr. Berry in a breakout room, but you got 3 2015 cases. And then the 2 cases.
2015 cases.
I don't see any of them affect him at this court getting the driver's license. License.
Your Honor, I get a repeat on everything that's said.
Your Honor, I get a repeat on everything that's said.
Yeah, that's some kind of way Mr. Gates is signed in, so I don't know. That's some kind of way Mr. Gates is signed in, so I don't know what. Do you want to speak to Mr. Berry in the breakout room?
Do you want to speak to Mr. Berry in the breakout room?
Yes. How do I get to the breakout room?
Should see the sign just pop up.
Okay.
Should see the sign just pop up.
Yep.
Yes, Your Honor. So can you tell me again?
He's got a driving license suspended, a brake light ticket. That's the two matters up for today. And then I didn't see the other stuff because it was different spelling of his name. Instead of one N, it had two N's. And I think he spells it with two N's. He has 3 2015 cases, a no ops, a no insurance, and an unregistered, untitled. All 3 of them in warrant status.
3 2015 cases.
3 2015 cases, improper license, no insurance, misdemeanor, and unregistered, untitled.
So is he in a position to resolve this today, or?
Well, he indicated that he wants to get a driver's license, so I was gonna give him a trial date and said that for driver's, for the driver's license, you know, for the 15 cases, because they're old. And then in that time, he can go seek and see what's going on with his driver's license.
Right. Okay. Thank you. You return. Let's go back into the breakout room, Mr. Gates.
He wants you back in the breakout room, Mr. Gates. He wants you back in the breakout room, Mr. Gates.
Okay. All right. Yeah.
Says you should be in there. Says you should be in there. Something must be going on with his device, Mr. Berry, because it says he should be in the breakout.
Device, Mr. Berry. Clearly, he's not. He should be in the breakout. Clearly, he's not.
It's just not working.
There's something going on.
It's just not working.
Oh, that's just his face. Go to the breakout room.
I don't know. Tell them you can't get there. I can't help you. You have difficulty getting there.
Yeah, how do I get to this breakout room? How do I get to this breakout room again?
Let's see if we can put him back in there.
I see join. About to join.
Go ahead, join him, Mr. Berry.
Fireman Big 50, huh? Ready for it?
Well, can't help
I'll be turning it to
it. It's better than
14
the
days.
alternative.
What, right, 14 days after you, I'll be.
Oh, you're in October too?
I'll be 50 this year, October 16th.
All right. Look at that.
I feel it too. Huh? You can't, I can tell, I'm sorry. I get so tired, not really tired. I think I have all this energy. Was she logged in?
She was logged in. I don't see her name.
It seems like Zoom should be able to track, like telephone numbers, they probably can. Like last time somebody had Zoomed in and then they left. It's like it should, I know it's a record somewhere connected. Like with a telephone bill, you know what I'm saying? Like, yeah. You got friends in Seattle?
My son's playing the game.
Oh, yeah. Your son gonna be, well, travel. He probably already is. That's awesome.
The United States, he's never been out of the country.
Yeah, United States is an interesting place.
Yeah, very interesting.
Got a lot of stuff you can see now.
He's the reason why we've gotten traveled around the United States, because I wouldn't run a lot of those places.
Real, that's awesome. United States got some beautiful stuff. Michigan do.
Yeah, Michigan is awesome.
I ain't got, I just keep learning, but I ain't got nowhere.
All right, let's go back on the record for Mr. Gates. Mr. Gates, I've given you an opportunity to speak with Mr. Berry in the breakout room. Mr. Berry, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, he'd like the opportunity to get his license and bring it back to the court.
All right, let's just set a trial date for the matter on November the 11th, on November the 7th, 2022 at 9 a.m. All right, I'm gonna write on there, you're going to get licensed. Let's set a trial date for that date, and we'll clear the matters up then. That should give you time to get your driver's license as well, Mr. Gates, okay?
Okay.
All right, any further questions, sir?
No, that's all.
You understand everything that's going on?
Yes.
All right, if there's nothing further, have a very good day. Good luck to you, all right?
All right, thank you.
See you back November 7th, 2022 at 9 a.m.
7th. Okay.
All right. All right, good morning, the gentleman on the iPhone. Can you unmute yourself and state your name for the record, please? State your name, please. Need to go on the bottom right, is the audio button down there on your screen. Can you hit that and unmute yourself and state your name, please? He just cut the audio off now. I put him out, he joined in and he signed on, so I'm gonna see if we can sign back on properly.
Okay, I'll put it in.
Morning.
Wanted to say hi, Judge.
Good morning, how's it going? Come on.
Stopping in and saying hello.
Good, that's what's up, always good. Let me see who this is. You had your audio, you have your audio connected, sir. All you need to do is go to the bottom of your screen. You have to hit unmute. You disconnected from audio. That's why I put you out the room so you can sign back in. So you had, I'm sure you can hear me now. You have to go to the bottom of your screen and hit the unmute button. Just unmute. How you been? How's your dad doing?
Chilling, man. He just came back from Lebanon. He'll be back today.
Is he still doing his work up the car wash?
No, he sold it last summer.
Did he?
Yeah, so he finally retired now. He spent 4 months in Winlock. I went and saw him this last, August? No, July.
So he's basically moved back?
He went there for 4 months, him and my mom. Spent the whole summer there. They love
Their son is a rich, successful, big time lawyer.
rich. I'm trying to
So
be.
you gonna get there. You gonna get there. And,
I'm proud of you.
so, but he's very successful at what he does.
Okay.
So money's gonna follow.
The money always follows if you're not chasing it.
No,
Yeah, put the good work in, and the money comes.
the money will follow if you chase it too. It's just that you just not, well, you're not gonna chase it. You know, money doesn't make you, right? You know what I'm saying? It's gonna come. What else is new?
Same old, man. Me and Cyril working on this new space. On a building from the city of Dearborn, library. So we're moving our office over there. You should be in the year.
Oh, sweet.
Just gonna let you know when we do a grand opening.
I love you.
It's a big space, like 11,000 square feet.
Oh, sweet.
We don't need all that space, but what I want to do is really have like a full service, like every practice area. Because I don't have an immigration component. I don't have a real strong family law component, somebody in house.
Right.
And some other practice areas I'm gonna add. So figure I can need a decent space.
Might as well buy it, right?
You know what I mean?
So it's gonna give such good work.
I got a good deal from the city.
And you said end of the year,
Yeah.
so you build it out now?
In 90 days before I move in.
All right.
Sweet on.
That's what's up. That's what's up. I'll definitely be there.
I'm excited about that. And that's really it, man.
What you got going on today?
I got an exam at Judge Jefferson in 20 minutes. I saw Adam Sabri walking around the halls over here. He's gonna be a judge soon.
There's definitely Adam and Tanisha. They're both gonna be good.
Yeah.
And, we're still waiting on another,
Appointment?
well, another appointment.
Really?
Because they never filled, Chris Blanc's spot. So.
Oh, yeah.
Bless you.
Thank you, thank you. I
Sir, you still have to unmute your device. You have to unmute your device for us to hear you. So it's a way at the bottom corner of your screen. You're on an iPhone. Is there an iPhone or what does he need to do for an iPhone?
Bottom left, hit the microphone.
You hit the microphone button on the bottom left. And it should have an option to unmute.
Tap the screen and hit.
Tap the screen and then you should see the options on the bottom of your screen. It should have on the left bottom of your screen, it should have a microphone. Tap the microphone and hit unmute. He's not getting it.
It's not working.
So I'll give you one of these. Kind of a little bit of a role play. So essentially, really, I think I'm not reminding me. I gotta put this on the record. To how many pages is that? I got 2. And the second page is this one here. Yep. Still need this. Judge, thank you. And I'm gonna keep one of these on my desk. And then for the criminal one.
You start in January then?
January. They gave us 3 days for training. Training starts in November. I think I'm starting
January, whatever the first day of the year is.
So I mean, November, my goal is to have everything done before November. Last hearing.
They're not all your stuff.
I got like 2 parts.
That's it.
Yeah, he covered it.
There's a guy. I knew it was coming.
Never covered you? Yeah, I gave you this. I gave you this. Don't matter to do that.
You got it.
So we're here for. What's her name's Susan DeBaja's got an investiture tonight. Susan DeBaja, where? In the Dearborn Civic Center, I guess.
I can't go. My son's got a game tonight.
At 6.
Sorry, yeah.
Yeah. He's playing at and I try to make all of those. He's playing at MSU tonight against Chicago State.
Oh, nice. Yeah. You playing college?
Yep,
soccer?
11. I'm in Judge Perkins' car room. I'm not on the docket though.
I mean, he's this is the last.
Can I meet you somewhere? Are you gonna dismiss him?
Setting himself up.
Okay.
Hopefully to get him drafted to set in January. But let's draft.
You're older than Pat?
No.
Pat's older?
Yes.
Is he a kid in college?
Not yet. His son is
Yeah.
in the club.
Oh,
See, my kids are down.
Jesuit.
Yeah, my kids are.
Yeah, same story. Yeah.
You got older.
3
When you had kids before. That's how I am with my brother. I'm
Okay.
younger than him. I had kids.
Oh,
before.
sweet.
I had
Okay, thank you.
you. There's 7. Next month will be 7.
Can I do it in the courtroom?
So you have twins?
I got 2 girls.
So there's you guys are just starting out. Todd's actually getting up there. His youngest is 13.
Yeah.
Maybe, yeah, 13. I think she goes to high school next year. His son graduates.
Where do your girls go to school?
What, when, where, kind of day?
And then where did you start them off?
Pre-K 4.
Okay.
Paying increased.
Crazy.
That's education or whatever. I'd rather give it to them than blow it on others.
Yeah. I mean, and then